Thanks for listening to WDFA The Blizzard. We are currently conducting an automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.